Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can get mentioned from mutuals on Tumblr. So let's get started. Firstly, open Tumblr app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon if you haven't. Next tap on settings icon. Then tap on account settings. After that, you can see the option of mentions. Tap on it. Then tap on who can mention. After that, you can see the option of only mutuals can mention me. Select on it. So this is how you can get mentioned from mutuals on Tumblr. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.